We're going to start off today talking about how to secure your trailer. We're going to give you a couple of different options on how to secure your investment, keep the trailer from leaving unexpectedly, and also help secure it to the vehicle. I have two locks on this trailer. One goes through the top pin, so it helps when the trailer is on the vehicle. This can't release, so the trailer could jump off of the vehicle. It also keeps someone from hooking up their vehicle to the trailer while this lock's in place. We put the second one on. There's various different styles, and this one keeps anyone from maybe using a smaller ball than is intended for the trailer and placing it on their vehicle, because if you had enough weight on the front of the trailer, you could still put this on a smaller ball and pull the trailer away and keep the front of the weight down. So that's a couple options. I like to use both locks at all times, and it makes it pretty difficult to steal this one. Anything can be stolen. 9 times out of 10, what's going to happen, they're going to go to an easier find, a trailer without a lock, and this is going to do the job to protect your trailer.